Welcome everyone. In today's video, we'll be continuing the topic of matrix multiplication. In particular, when two matrices multiply each other. Let's begin. Two matrices can only be multiplied together if the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Multiplication by matrices is done row by column. Now this may sound confusing at this point, but hopefully the examples on the next slide will clarify things a bit for you. So now in this slide we have four matrices, and we're going to see which of these four matrices can or cannot be multiplied together based on the criteria that we mentioned in the last slide. Let's look at the first two up top. The first one is a 2 by 3 matrix and the second one is a 3 by 2 matrix. Now in matrix number 1, it has 3 columns. Matrix number 2, it has 3 rows. Therefore, these two matrices can be multiplied together. In the second set of matrices, notice that they are both 2 by 2 matrices. And since they are both the same, naturally, they both can multiply each other. But just to double check, the first matrix has 2 columns and the second matrix has 2 rows. Therefore, by virtue of the definition, they both can multiply each other. Now let us switch these matrices around and see if the properties hold true. Now in the first matrix up top, you have 2 columns, but the one on the right, you have 3 rows. Therefore, by our definition, these two cannot be multiplied together. The last two matrices, you have 2 columns and you have 2 rows. So these two can be multiplied together. Now, this video was all about determining whether two matrices can or can't be multiplied together. In the following video, we will discuss the steps needed to actually go about multiplying matrices. Now, if you enjoyed that video, feel free to like and share it with your friends. You can always visit us at knowledgescroll.com, where you can look at our full list of services that we offer to secondary and high school students. Here's also where you would come to browse our full catalog of featured videos, as well as sign up for any of our reasonably priced online courses. My name is Kevin and I thank you for watching, and I hope we meet again.